this is water pollution, that's right. So thank you very much. Hong, what is the second environmental issue displayed here?
I see a picture of many trash.
So this is waste management or trash management. Yes, that's right. And then, thank you. Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Hi, what's your name, please?
My name is Queen.
Queen. Okay, so what is the last environmental problem that is shown here?
Yes, I think maybe that is air pollution.
Air pollution, but you see there is no...
The forest.
There are no trees.
Yes.
Yeah, so this is deforestation. This is called deforestation. Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. And then Tron is reconnected again. Tron?
Hello teacher, can you hear me?
Hi. Yeah, now I can hear you. Am I pronouncing your name correct?
No, my name is Tu. Not Tun.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sorry. Okay, Tim. So join us. We have just started discussing the environmental problems. So what projects will help to solve one of these issues, like water pollution, waste management, or deforestation?
I think the one project we can do for the waste management is garbage classification.
Okay, thank you. This is a good idea. And so here we have some other ideas on how we can help solve these problems. So now let's see what are these. Jessica, do you think that these ideas can help solve these problems?
Yes. The first picture, river cleaning, I think is a simple way to treat water pollution. Yes. So yes. And then the second picture, reusing or recycling. Yes, we try to recycle plastic waste, for example, plastic waste to make the recycled products.
Okay.
Yes. And the third picture, tree planting. Yes, it can help. We will have a green environment.
Yeah, sure, but it takes time. Thank you very much. So we just discussed some ideas to help environment in the previous activity. So now let's go over this scenario. Hong, can you please read it for everyone?
Yeah. Scenario: the city council where you live would like to carry out one to two projects to help the environment. They ask a non-profit organization to support by proposing some projects along with their analysis.
Yes, that's right. Thank you. And so you will need to imagine that you are working for that organization and you need to conduct and present an analysis for a project. So in our today's lesson, we are going to learn how to do this. And as we already discussed, so we're going to conduct an analysis, but it will be a SWOT analysis for a project. So let's get started with what we are going to learn during the lesson. So by the end of the lesson, you will be able to conduct a SWOT analysis for environmental projects. Use signposting phrases when presenting an analysis. So we have a lot of work, and let's get started. First, let's discuss and remember what SWOT analysis is. So, Queen, what does S stand for?
Yes. S means strength. W.
Strength.
Yes, means weakness.
Yes, that's right.
Weakness.
Okay, thank you. So, yeah, I know, but I need to let everyone do this task. I know that you know it. So, Tung, what does W stand for?
You asking me?
Yes, yes.
Ah,
Am I
yes.
again pronouncing your name incorrect? So, let's practice. Tung or Trung. Which
yes,
is better?
correct, teacher. Okay.
Trung. Okay.
I think it stands for the weakness.
Weaknesses. Yes, that's right. So, Jessica, the next letter is O.
O is then for opportunities.
Exactly. And home, T is for...
T is for threats.
Yes, that's right. So, and as you remember, so they can be positive or negative. And they also can refer to internal factors and external factors. So now we're going to match each of these words to the factors, to the groups. So strengths go to positive internal factors. What about weaknesses, Queen?
That is internal factor.
Positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative, of course. So the next one, true, please.
I think opportunity belong to positive internal factor.
Positive. And threats will go to home.
A threat is negative and external factors.
Yes, that's right, exactly. And so here, what we use when conducting a SWOT analysis, we distribute different different like strengths or weaknesses to these factors. So, first, to strength, we will need to distribute current factors that make the project likely to succeed. Then, with negative weaknesses that make it difficult to succeed, with opportunities, these are potential factors that you can advantage of, and threats, these are factors that could harm your project possibly. So, then, what are the purposes for it? So, you improve your project planning, reduce project risk, and increase project's chances of success. So, why do you think SWOT analysis can help with these purposes, Jessica?
I think the SWOT analysis can help us give all the purpose because they can show us the positive factor, the negative factors, and we can look at deeply in the which is factor is the most important to to do first, and we can see the opportunity. We can see the threat. So I think it's very important.
Yeah, so yeah, you can rate all the risks and all the good things in advance. Yes, good, thank you. And so then, now let's practice analyzing a project. So this project is called reuse shops. So in major cities, Hong, can you explain what reuse shops are?
I think reuse shop are the shop that sell product from renewable recycle thing.
Yes, that's right. Or they can also be reusable. So recycle is when you make something new from different product, but reuse is when you use the same thing but several times. Yes, thank you for the explanation. But there can be both recycled or reused things. So these are some things that you can find there. So people donate or sell unwanted household items. These items will be inspected and tested for reusing purpose, and people buy things that they want at a lower price. So now we are going to work with some factors that we need to put in these groups. So first, let's work with the two first examples. Queen, where would you put the first example?
Yes, I choose zero is opportunity.
Opportunities, let's see. Yes, exactly. And Trum, what is the second example?
I I get it belong to the witnesses.
Witnesses. Yes, absolutely. So then you're going to continue working with the same task, but individually in the activity on the platform. So I'm sending to you it now. Have you received it?
Yes.
Yes, I got.
Yes.
Good. So now please take your time. You have 1 minute and 30 seconds to distribute all these factors into the correct boxes. So please, let's get started. So you have the final seconds to finish the activity. And now let's start checking it. So true, as you were the first, what is number one? Where does it belong to?
I think the number one it belong to the threat.
Threats, yes, that's right. What about the next one? Home, please. Number two.
Number two, like a choice for customer is weaknesses.
Sure. Queen, what about number 3?
Yes, that is strength.
Yeah, good. Jessica, where does number 4 go?
Number 4, I think opportunities.
Sure. What about number 5, Trung?
The number 5, I think it belong to strength.
Strengths. Yes. And the very last one, Hong, please.
The last one is dress.
Breath. Yes, that's true. Okay, so now we have put all these factors into the correct sections, and the next step is presenting the analysis. But when we present the analysis, we make the presentation of these 4 parts, and we need to use signposting language. So can you give me any examples of signposting phrases or words? This is a question for everyone. You can just unmute your microphone and tell me these phrases. So do you remember any of
I think, yes, I think we could use to begin with or to start with.
Okay, very good. Anything else? All right. So now,
yeah.
Yeah, let's consider. Okay, I will put it here. Let's consider. And then let's continue with an audio of Thomas. So he is going to present a SWOT analysis table from the previous slide. So listen to his speech and please write down signposting phrases that you hear into the chat box. So while listening, you type and send me a message in the chat box. So now let's get started.
Greetings everyone. Today, I'm going to present a quick SWOT analysis of the project, Reuse Shops in our city. I'd like to start by discussing the strengths of this project. Firstly, reuse shops provide less expensive products because most of the products are used by other people. Secondly, they are also good for the environment. Buying old things means we don't have to make a lot of new products. Therefore, we can save resources. Let's move on to the opportunities. One of them is that we can create more jobs as reuse shops need a number of people to operate. Another potential factor is that when reuse shops are successful in our city, other cities are more likely to follow. Now, let's consider their weaknesses. To be able to sell their old things, people need to take more care of their items. When they're not usable, nobody will buy them. Furthermore, it can take a long time for people to find the item they want because they usually lack choices. Lastly, let's talk about the threats. When people buy things at these shops, it could decrease sales of new products and affect the economy. Another threat is that when there are more shops, it will be more difficult to manage them.
Okay, so now I will give you some time. Okay, yes, I see your answers now. Very good. And so I see that you all include a phrase like secondly. So, is it a signposting phrase? Does everyone agree? Queen, what do you think? Is secondly a signposting phrase or not?
I think we have.
Yeah, it is a signposting phrase, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I would mostly refer it to linking words as they continue. So one part. So you said firstly, secondly, but it doesn't start a new part of your speech. So, and signposting phrases like I'd like to start by or to begin with. This is introducing the first point. Then moving to the next point, we can say let's consider or turn into, let's move on to. And lastly, or to finish, this is moving to the last point. And secondly, can be used in one of these to just like list the weaknesses or list the opportunities. So, do you see what I mean?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So now let's go back to the scenario at the beginning of the lesson. And remember that you are now working for that organization and you need to conduct and present an analysis for a project. First, we will need to think of some ideas for the project to help the environment. So you will need to think of its strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities. But first, you will need to come up with a project idea. So remember that it is an environmental project, and so you support some of these, I would say, uh, this organization by proposing some project. So please now think of your idea. You have 4 minutes to prepare your idea for this SWOT analysis. You can also think of its strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, different factors. Now you have 4 minutes to do this task. So now let's get started.
Project idea is you. Protect. Project. Tree planting. Strengths that fresh and cool air. Fresh and
nice, beautiful landscape. Next people need more and take time. Next equipment.
So you have now final seconds to finish this task, brainstorming. Okay, so now don't worry if you haven't finished fully. So now you will go to breakout rooms to discuss what you came up to during this preparation time following this plan. So I have sent it to you in our chat box. Please don't forget to use signposting phrases when you start the new like the new phrase or the new factor. So if you started with strength, when you move on to weaknesses, you can continue moving to the next point is. So now you will go to breakout rooms to discuss your projects, so to present your projects and to discuss them in pairs. You will have 5 minutes to do this, and so now please open your
Hello, Quỳnh. Can you hear me?
Hello, hello Jessica, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you again. Yes, we share your project first.
Sorry, can you speak again?
Yes. Do you want to share your project first?
Okay, I will share. My project is tree planting. I will analyze about the 4 factors. Firstly,
Yes.
with strength, when we have tree planting, we will have fresh and cool air to breathe, and besides we have beautiful landscape
in our city or country. About weakness,
Yes.
we need more people and take time to plant and care the tree, and also we need the full full equipment to to do it. About
Yes.
the opportunity, we will create more job for people, and we can create the green city. Finally, is threat. I think maybe the tree will not well will not uh, will take care not well, and people in the city not aware to protect the the plant, and they cut or destroy the environment and the tree. So that is my opinion. And could you share about your project?
Mm, yes, I want to share something about my project. My project is producing biodegradable plastic instead of using plastic now, because plastic waste is a serious problem now. So I would like to start by discuss the strengths of this project. First, I think now we have the technology system. So we just need some update, some more new technology to produce the new plastic items. Uh, and the second, we also have the team of researchers that have knowledge about this field, so they can research, and they can make the new one, but it can good for our environment. Let's move on to the opportunity. So I think we are living in agriculture country, so we have a lot of raw material to produce biodegradable plastic products instead of the old one, and the cost is very low. So so that we can make this easy to make a new product with the low price. And the quickness, I think we at the moment the technology for the new product is rare, so we have to learn from the other country. So maybe it will take us a big budget to do this. And okay, we come back to the main room.
This meeting is being recorded.
I think your idea is nice.
So, hello again. Have you had enough time to discuss your projects? While we are waiting for the next group, so for the second group, Jessica, can you please share your project idea? Yeah, please.
Yes, I would like to start by discussing my project producing biodegradable plastic. Yes, I would like to talk about the strength of this project. At the moment, we have a technology system to produce plastic products so we can use it to update some more technology to do the new products, also new plastic products, but it can biodegradable, so it can protect our environment. The second, now we also have the team for researchers for research, and they can have good knowledge about this field, so they can also learn and how to make the new one. I think it's possible, can do it. And let's move on to the project opportunities. Um, First, we are living in agricultural country, so we have a lot of raw material with low cost. For example, corn, uh, or cane, or coconut residue, yes, something like that, to make the biodegradable plastic product. So that's our opportunity. So we can have a new product with the low cost. And turn on to the witnesses, because this is a new technology, so we have to prepare the big budget to do this system. So and and maybe furthermore, when we produce this new product, we have to use some toxic chemicals, so it can be damage to the environment. So we have to think about it. And lastly, I talk about the threat. We have to face with many competitors in the market. So we have to prepare all of things before launch the new product. We have to care about the quality and the customer idea in the market. And the price, I think also the price we also have to prepare it. And I think that's all. Yes, all in all, I hope that everyone should be aware of environment, how to protect it, how to learn to use less plastic products instead of by other ways to protect our environment.
Okay, great. Thank you very much for your speech. So your idea was very surprising and new. So thank you for sharing it. And so the very strong point of your speech is that you were using signposting phrases. So your speech was very clear, was very well structured and easy to understand. Good job.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. And from the second group, True, I heard that you didn't have enough time to share your idea. So can you please share it with us now?
Okay, let me start. So my project is Go Green. Yes, it includes many action, which one main purpose to make our environment better. So I would like to start with some strength for my project. The first, we have some experience from for eco project from the period project. So we will create a sustainable technology, and we also have the resource available. And now let's move on to the some witnesses for this project. For this project, we have a limit about the budget, and some untested technology for this project need to implement before applying. So besides that, we have the available resource available, but with a small team. So we need to recruit some member from the external. So let's see. So to finish, so some opportunity for this project. So we can increase the demand, and we can look for work. We can find some new fund, and we can write awareness for everyone about some solution make our environment can better. About yes, that's all from my side. I have enough time to list down some idea for thread.
Okay, so that's fine. So yeah, you didn't have too much time, so but you can finish this project or like the ideas for the project at your homework, as part of your homework. But it's actually very good when you end your like speech on something positive. So actually, Tron, this was good that you finished up with opportunities but not threats, because the beginning and the ending is something that can be memorized more than like the body part. Okay, so thank you very much for the presentation and for home and Jessica, I think. Oh no, Queen. I was listening to you in the breakout rooms. I'm sorry, we don't have enough time to listen to you all now in the main chat. So now let's discuss some of the feedback from me. So you were all good giving the presentations of your projects. So now let's work with some pronunciation a little bit. So Queen, how would you read this word as a verb?
Breath.
So breath is a noun, and we pronounce breathe as a verb. It's different pronunciation. Breathe. Yes. That's right. Okay, thank you. So then, Trum, let's pronounce these words together.
Technology.
I'm sorry. Here, in this case, we pronounce CH like K. Technology.
Technology.
Yes, that's right. Okay. And then the last one, home. So this is connected to grammar, not vocabulary. So how would you say that breathe, that we, and then we need to use the verb grow. So how do we change the verb grow in this context? Like
Tree that we grew.
grew. Yes, that's right. Now it's very good as we refer to the past. Good job. So thank you. These are all the corrections that I wanted to present to you. And so now let's see if we have achieved the goals that we had set in the very beginning of the class. So can you now conduct a SWOT analysis for a project? Yes or no? What do you think?
Yes.
Yes, yes, I
Mhm.
can.
And can you use signposting phrases when presenting an analysis?
Yes.
Yes, good. All right. So thank you everyone for this very interesting discussion during this class. I appreciate your work and effort so that you dedicated during this class and you seized the opportunity to practice English. And this is just a homework reminder for you. So thank you very much and have a good night.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
teacher. Bye bye.
Bye bye, everyone.
Bye.